Hello, my flourishing friends. It is time. I'm so super duper excited. The Lievelingspost is here. Ta-da! And also today it's a really sunny day, so I thought I'd film in a different environment just for you guys to bring the sun in your home. Yeah, I cannot wait. I was so excited because actually the package came on Valentine's Day. So this weekend I really had a lot to do some filming for you. Because of course I cannot wait to open it myself. So yeah. But as you see, it's still sealed and everything. So I didn't cheat. There comes my dog. Curious little thing. Hello. What do you say we open this up and yeah, I'm gonna cut it open and come back to you in 1 second. Okay, there we go. Drum roll. Ta-da! Aww. Oh, this is super cute. Wow. So, we've got a little merci on top with almond flavor. I'm so gonna eat that later. And we've got a little, I don't know, note. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a little note that says, yeah, that's your mail and enjoy it. And yeah, I'm not gonna do the same mistake as in the last video. I'm not gonna translate it for you guys because that went a bit wrong to read it and at the same time translate it. But I mean, you're able to understand love is sweet, love is kind, and that's really much true. So thank you really much. I think it's amazing how much how much love they put into this. This is my second time I ordered something, and I have to say I ordered the following one as well. So this one is the Valentines themed one, and the next coming up one is spring theme. So I'm really excited. Yeah, let's open it up. Ooh, this is super cute. Okay, where to begin? I don't know. I think I'm gonna start with those. I think it's really funny that those are in this box. Yeah, if you have seen my Valentine's video on Valentine's Day, this was the theme of my thumbnail. So thanks guys. It's like as if you knew it. Oh, I love those. I actually don't see those a lot in Holland, and I really love them in America. So I miss them a bit. So that's really sweet. Okay, which package should we open first? I think we're gonna go for this little one because I really like the paper. I'll be able to see it. It's gold glittery. I mean, look at this. They package everything. It actually smells really good. Like soap or something. Let's see. Oh, it is soap. Oh, this is sweet. It's soap with their own logo. Really nice. And it smells like, I don't know, it just smells good. So it's a really good soap. Nice. And you can always use it. And actually, fun fact, I like to use those soaps better than liquid soap because I have the feeling they last longer. Ooh, hardy. I try to not break stickers like that so I can reuse them. But I don't think it's gonna be fine. I appreciate the effort they put into this, really. So great. Oh, wow. Dried flowers. This is amazing. So pretty. I already know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna put it on the back of a letter, and when I seal it, I'm just gonna put one of those leaves or something on the back. It's gonna be really pretty. Awesome. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. It's Hardy's. And all gold. How do they know I love gold? And it says, for you. That's actually me. Let's peek. Ooh. Love is sweet, love is kind with a little clip. That is so cool. And it's actually pretty big. It's double the size of a postcard. So you can really pin it somewhere as a decorative item. This is awesome. Thank you so much. I keep saying thank you because I really appreciate the effort and the work they put into this. So, yay! Let's go for this. one. Always so pretty paper, and it all color theme fits. Okay, I broke a heart, people. Ooh, it's a bath bomb. Yay! Can never have enough of those. And it also smells amazing. I like this heart because it's not symmetrical. Peek. What is this? Looks like napkins. I had to read it quick, I'm sorry. It's napkins, a few of them. And it says, I like shortcuts. My path is far from straight. I'm just lazing around, waiting for you. And it actually has a little recipe for love cookies. Let's see if I maybe bake them for the channel, because I plan a bit on mixing things up and not do only crafting related stuff. So maybe the recipe is gonna be used. Really like it. I have a thing for napkins, I have to admit. I really like napkins. Nice. Either there's gonna be more to craft with this, or I'm gonna do a dream catcher by myself. Maybe for you guys. We're gonna see. I'm gonna put the ring aside for now. I'm gonna go for the little one now. Forgot something in the back. Ooh, this is too cute. It's mini envelopes where you can write a little message, then you fold it, and then you can seal it up. Perfect for pen paling, people. Perfect for pen paling. I love it. And I always love the look of those international letters. I don't know what it is, it just gives you this vintage vibe, and I really like it. Awesome. To the next. Oh, look at the pretty washi. And all gold. Oh, with the sun, that's so perfect. What is it? Stickers! Jackpot, people. Aww. Oh, those are super cute. Maybe you're gonna see those in another project. Who knows? And here we have another. The last package, I guess. It's a little rainbow kind of thingies. And this says, I hope you can read it. You're my favorite. My heart is breaking. Isn't that cute? So, if you haven't wrote a love letter yet for Valentine's Day, now I can. It's also with a logo. And it has also an envelope. Oh, this is super sweet. Awesome. And actually everything smells like the soap. That's perfect. Oh, okay. So this was at the bottom of the box. You're supposed to make a flower arrangement with this. So it's a door hanger. That's so nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. I'm really not good with crafting with flowers, but I'm gonna give it my best. Challenge accepted. I think it looks cool. Well, I'm so excited for this one. Let me put everything visible back in the box, and I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, you guys, there we are. I hope everything is in the picture, except for this one, because it's too big, but it's really sweet and kind. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, look, there comes the sun back in the picture. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to the next unboxing video. It's so much fun and joy to do this. And apparently you people like it as well. So I'm gonna continue to do this. Like I said in my first unboxing video, this is a local company I support here. It's not sponsored, I buy it myself. But I'm a big fan. And I'm happy that the things are going well for them, it looks like. Thank you for this nice box, people. And yeah, I see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles, and hugs. Your Lisa.